All right, guys, let's begin with this OpenShot video editor. This is the website where you can download the full version of OpenShot video editor. Notice that here we have the Spanish version of the software, but at any time you may switch to English if you change the ES or EN. Now that notice that we can create the stunning videos. The website is really cool because if you make mouse over in some items, you notice that the items change. That's really cool. You can use it on your Mac, on your Windows, and you don't have to pay anything. This is totally free. So now click on download this version. The website will detect your platform, if it's Mac or if it's Windows. But at this time, I'm going to click on download to see more options. Notice that here you have Linux downloads, Mac downloads, Windows downloads, and another builds. Here you have some video intros, thumbnails, end cards, channel banners, but this, notice that this is an AD, this is an ID, this is an advertisement. So please don't be confused with all these options. The real option that you have to download is here, is this blue button. When you click on this blue button, notice that now the software is downloading to your computer. It's only 1031 megabytes. And after you complete download the software, you will get the full version of this OpenShot video editor. You have to install it. If you cannot install this software, maybe it's because you don't have the password for your Linux, for your Windows or Macintosh system. So you may need to ask for the password on the computer that you are using. Maybe your parents are protecting your account with a password. Maybe they are protecting your computer with password. You need to ask them for the password if it is the case. Now that the software complete download, I will double click on it. And now the software are asking me to install OpenShot Video. And because I have permission, administration permission to install this software, I can do it. But at this moment, I have already downloaded this video. Now, this video editor, sorry. Now, let's jump to Mis Cursos to check the activity. Is the group number B22, and then click on the last activity. This is the last activity, video editing practice. You need to download a video from this URL. This is actually the original video that you may find in YouTube. This is an advertising from the SuperBowl featuring Jason Momoa, the actor who played the role in Aquaman, the main character in Aquaman. And you may download this video, but notice that this video is not the same that you will find on YouTube. And this video is different because if I click on play here, you will notice that the order of the footage is different.
Place? Oh, I let my guard down. Hold is where you...
From one scene, switch to another scene, and this doesn't have a true sequence. You need to edit this video to show the real sequence. So download this video, and after you download this video, I actually downloaded this video and it's on my computer already. I will open the application, OpenShot Video Editor, and I will share with you my screen once OpenShot Video is open. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Now I'm sharing the software with you. Now, at this moment, I'm going to import the video that I download from my Google Drive. Import the files from the desktop is JSON SuperBowl MP4, and then drag and drop the video here. Now, if I click here, I can preview the footage here. And now this is very important. This is the zoom tool. If you click on it and drag it, notice that the clip is looking so short. So if I drag this control to the left, I will see that this clip looks bigger. Okay, you may need to zoom in to your video in order to work with the footage more efficiently. If I play here, I will notice that this is one scene. I will cut this scene when the new scene begins.
For one place? Yeah.
Okay, next scene. So here I have to cut the video. Here, I can cut it just here. Then click on the scissors and click a little bit to the left. Now the clip has been cut. And the second scene is with Jason playing the guitar. I will cut this scene after he changed his his face, like this creepy face, and then click on it with the scissors tool. Now I have two clips. And then I will continue cutting all the scenes one by one. This is another scene. Then I'm here. Here I have to cut just here. Now I have another clip. This is the final clip. Notice that at some point it starts to fade out. Here, this is the fade out is because the advertisement has finished. This is one of the first footage of this advertisement. So I will cut here. Okay, it's very important to save your progress. You can save your progress here in File, Save Project As, or Save Project, because this project doesn't have a name yet. I will name this project B22 because it's the name of the group, B22. Notice how fast the project has been saved. It's because the project doesn't record all of the clips one by one. It's because the file is just saving the position of all the clips. Now, let me open a finished project. This is the finished project. And after you complete your cuts and drag them to the right position, after you finish doing something like this, reposition all your clips, all your coded clips, you will get something like this.
What does home mean to me? It's my sanctuary. It's the one place. Oh, I can let my guard down. It's where I can just kick back and be totally comfortable in my own skin. You know what I'm saying? Rocket Mortgage understands that home is where I can be myself. That feels pretty darn good. Oh. Home is where you feel. And Rocket Mortgage helps you feel comfortable financing that home with a personalized and convenient experience centered around you. Rocket Mortgage. Push button, get mortgage.
That is.
Take it.
Okay, all right. Good job.
Okay, please save your questions to the finish. Right now, the clip is complete. I have my edition finished. So the product that I will send by my cursos, mis cursos, is an MP4 file. How to export an MP4 file? Click on this button, this red button, and then choose the MP4. Then choose the right size of the clip. The right size will be 700 to 20 progressive, 2997 frames per second. This is our standard. Previously, I told you that our standard will be 1080 progressive, 2997, but I changed my mind because I want you to send me files faster and easier. I think the main objective of this learning is how to edit, and not I will not be too much interested in the quality. 720 progressive 2997 is okay for me. Click on it and then choose the name of your file, where to save your file, here on the desktop maybe, or you can change it to another location, and then click on export video. I will going to cancel because I already exported the video. Once you when you finish to export the video until the 100%, you will get something like this. I will quit, yes, at this moment, and wait a minute for me to open the video. Oh no, I'm sorry, I delete the video, so I really need to export this video. I'm sorry. One more time. 720 progressive, 2997 export video, and let's wait for the export for the video to be exported. Please hold your with your question. If you have questions, write it on paper, and after I finish my explanation, I will answer all your questions. This is a 1 minute advertisement. Imagine the time that it takes to export an entire chapter with 1 hour, 1 hour duration, or 2 hours long. It will take some hours to be exported. This is just 1 minute. 1 minute of an advertisement. And done. Now, I will open the exported file. All right, let me show you my screen. Now you are watching to my video player. Is the classic media player from Windows. And you can use it, you can use any player that you have. And when I click here on play, I can watch the entire footage already edited.
It's the one place. Oh, I can let my guard down. That's why I can just kick back and be totally comfortable in my own skin. You know what I'm saying? Rocket Mortgage understands that home is where I can be myself. That feels pretty darn good. Oh. Home is where you feel the most comfortable, and Rocket Mortgage helps you feel comfortable financing that home with a personalized and convenient experience centered around you. Rocket Mortgage. Push button, get mortgage. Take